As the investigations continue in Sushant Singh Rajput's case and a CBI inquiry is also about to begin, netizens have now started demanding a CBI probe into the sudden and shocking demise of the legendary actor Sridevi, who passed away in what was reported as an accidental case of drowning over 2 years ago. Netizens are now alleging that Sridevi ji's demise also remains clouded with suspicion and there should be a detailed probe into how she passed away. Guys, as the demand for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput picks up national importance, this seems to have triggered memories of another case and a new hashtag has started on a microblogging site by netizens called #CBI Inquiry for Sridevi. Now, there have been several posts which have gone on to claim that the explanation given around the demise of Sridevi has not been convincing and that there seems to be something more to this case. Here's the story.
Shri was and is the biggest and the best actress of our country.
Ever since news of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise broke on 14th of June, there have been sections of netizens and Sushant's fans who have been alleging that the actor didn't pass away as reported in the media. They have alleged that he may be the victim of a larger conspiracy. Now, after months of social media activism and a fresh FIR by his family in the end of July naming Rhea Chakrabarti as the main accused, the case has finally been handed over to the CBI after the central government approved the Bihar state government's request for the same. Inspired perhaps by these demands for justice and a CBI inquiry, fans of the late actor Sridevi ji are demanding that the CBI also investigate the case of Sridevi ji. The legendary star passed away at a hotel in Dubai and it was reported that she had passed away due to accidental drowning in the bathroom of her hotel room. However, there were several conspiracy theories and rumors that were circulating at the time which fell silent after a while. Investigations into her demise by the Dubai police had ruled out foul play, लेकिन फिर भी कई लोगों को शक था that there was something amiss. The #CBI Inquiry for Sridevi started trending on a microblogging site 2 years after the actor's passing, with users posting several theories again. Some allege that the advocate Vikas Singh had claimed that an insurance policy worth Rs 240 crore was bought in Sridevi's name in Oman and could be encashed only if the actor died in Dubai. Others say the size and depth of the bathtub was too small for the actor to have passed away, even if it was filled with water. It seems uncertain right now whether this is just a flash in the pan trending hashtag or whether, given the mood of the public right now, investigations will actually be opened in the case. We will keep you guys updated with all the developments.